Hello kids, so today we are going to learn alphabets from A to D in capital letters. Along with it, we'll learn the words starting with these letters A, B, C and D. So without much ado, let's get started. So first I'll take red color and color the letter A. This is capital letter A. Capital letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Okay, A for apple. A for apple. And what is this? A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Let's color it. Okay, this is aeroplane. A for aeroplane. And finally, A for ant. A for ant. Okay, A for ant. So now we have three words starting with the letter A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and A for ant. Next, I'll take yellow color to write the letter B. This is capital letter B. This is capital letter B. So B for boat. B for boat. Okay. So this is boat. B for boat. Next, B for balloon. B for balloon. Okay, B for balloon. B for banana. B for banana. Okay, this is banana. B for banana. Here also we have three words starting with the letter B. What are they? B for boat, B for balloon, and B for banana. Next I'll take green color. This is green color and write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Okay, C for cat. C for car. Okay, C for car. C for car and C for cap. This is cap. Starting with the letter C. C for cap. Okay, this is cap. Starting with the letter C. C for cat. C for car. C for cap. Okay, next I'll take light blue color and write the letter D. This is capital letter D. D. D for dog. D for dog. Okay. D for dog. D for dice. D for dice. Okay, D for dice and finally D for duck. Okay, D for duck. So what we have with the letter D? Dog, dice and duck. Okay, so let's repeat once again. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant. B. B for boat. B for balloon. B for banana. C. C for cat. C for car. And C for cap. D. D for dog. D for dice. And D for duck. Very good. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you have learned something from this video. And if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.